Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the toolchain is available and VS Code is ready. Install min GWW64 or MSys2 with G++. Then add the compiler's bin folder to your path so the terminal can find G++. In VS Code, install the C/C++ extension and optionally Code Runner. Open your project folder and create a minimal main CPP file to run a first compile test. This confirms the environment is reachable and sets up the next troubleshooting steps. Once done with basics, configure VS Code to build. Create VSCode/tasks. JSON that calls G++ std equals C++ 17 wall o $file $name $file, base name no extension $file, so the build matches your files. Make sure see CPP properties. JSON lists your compiler path and include path so IntelliSense stops flagging headers. Use the integrated terminal to run the same G++ command manually, if it works there, but not via task. Finish by verifying the environment across VS Code and the system. Make sure VS Code inherits the updated path. Sometimes you must restart VS Code or your OS so the terminal sees G++. Confirm you installed the correct architecture of G++ to match your project and linked libraries. If you still see errors, copy the exact error message and retry the manual G++ command in an external terminal. That precise output reveals missing headers, wrong paths, or linker mismatches. Fixing that resolves most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.